Welcome. This is a moment for you, a moment of calm, love, and profound connection with the life growing within you. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow your body to relax completely. If you need to adjust cushions or supports, do so now, giving yourself permission to be fully present. Gently close your eyes and feel the outside world begin to fade away. This space and this time are just for you and your baby. Let's begin by bringing our attention to the breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Once more, inhale deeply, allowing calm to enter your body. And exhale gently, letting go of any worries. Now, imagine a warm, golden, radiant light flowing from the top of your head. This light is pure calm, pure love. Feel it slowly moving down your forehead, relaxing your eyebrows, your eyelids, your jaw. Allow this light to continue descending through your neck and shoulders, releasing any tension stored there. The light flows down your arms, your chest, and reaches your belly. It pauses here for a moment, surrounding your baby with a loving warmth. Feel how this light expands softly through your hips, your legs, all the way to your feet. You are completely relaxed, held in this present moment. Now, bring your attention to your belly. Feel the life growing inside you, a life deeply connected to you. Imagine a small bright sphere of light within you. This light is your baby, filled with energy, love, and infinite potential. Watch how this light pulses softly, radiating warmth and life. Allow yourself to connect with this light, knowing you are deeply united with it. With each breath, feel how this connection strengthens. Inhale love. Exhale calm. As you breathe, you can mentally repeat these words. I am here with you. I love you. I protect you. We are together on this beautiful journey. Repeat these phrases in your mind. Feeling how each word fills your heart with love and reassurance. Now I want you to visualize a special place, a space that represents calm and happiness for you. Perhaps it's a meadow filled with flowers, a peaceful beach, or a warm and bright room. Allow yourself to be in this place. Observe the details, the colors, the sounds, the sensations of being there. In this space, imagine that you meet your baby. You might see them as a small sphere of light, or perhaps as a fully formed baby. Feel the deep connection between you. You can speak to your baby mentally. Tell them what you feel. How you look forward to their arrival. How much you love them. Or if you prefer, simply share this moment in silence, feeling the communication that transcends words. This is your moment together. Allow yourself to cherish it. Now take a moment to observe your baby's response. Perhaps you feel a special warmth in your belly, a deep sense of calm, or simply a more intense glow of light. Whatever you perceive is valid and beautiful. This is the bond you share, unique and full of love. Before we finish, take a moment to express gratitude. Thank your body for being the home of this new life. Thank your baby for choosing this journey with you. And thank this present moment for allowing you to connect with what is most sacred. Place your hands on your heart or your belly if you like, and feel the warmth of this connection. When you are ready, gently begin to move your fingers and toes, slowly returning to your surroundings. Feel how this calm and love remain with you. And when you open your eyes, do so with a smile of peace and gratitude. Thank you for sharing this moment with yourself and your baby. This is only the beginning of a beautiful and profound connection that will continue to grow every day.